Hey, I'm Cassiers, and for the past 45 years I've been playing, recording and teaching guitar. And I've learned one thing. If you want to make real progress, nothing beats a one-on-one lesson that's 100% about you. My formula is simple. We work on exactly what you need. No generic stuff, no fluff, just focused guidance to help you reach your goals faster. We'll look at your technique, timing, chord vocabulary, solo skills, and I'll give you the shortcuts I wish I had when I started. Every session ends with a clear practice plan so you know exactly what to work on. And between lessons, you can send me questions, videos, whatever you need to keep moving forward. So whether you book 5 lessons to get a big push or 10 lessons to really go deep, we'll make sure every minute counts. Ready to play with confidence? Let's get started.